Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Review.
All right, guys, and we are back, and we're here in this 2001 Lexus RX 300. It's going to be a front-wheel drive. We got 247,883 miles on the clock. And if you notice, guys, we have a light. We have a mill light on, and it's indicating for the rear lights. So basically we have a left brake light that is out in our 2001 Lexus RX 300. Crazy technology even back in 2001, guys. It will illuminate and let you know that your lights are out. So anyway, we went ahead and did a check. We just pressed the brake, and we noticed that the left light is out. So we're going to go ahead and replace both. When you buy the lights, they come in pairs. And if the left one went out, the right one's probably not too far behind. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. Also, another good indication that it's something to do with your brake light is sometimes this light will go off, and as soon as you hit the brake, the light comes back on. So that's a good indication. So anyway, guys, going to be a quick, simple repair. We're going to go ahead, take you back there, and show you how to replace it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So like I said, guys, it's going to be the left brake light. So it's going to be this one here. It's going to be in the trunk lid of the vehicle. It's going to be our left, so our driver's side is out. So we're going to go ahead and replace both of those. So let's bring up the trunk lid and I'll show you what's next. So your brake light is going to be underneath, or once you open the tail lid, you will have access to your brake light. So you're just going to go ahead and pull this covering down. As you can see, there's a few plastic tabs that hold it in. So you could just get a trim tool, trim removal tool, pop in there, or in my case, I was able just to grab it and pull it down a little bit. And then it will give you access to your brake light. So for a better view, I went ahead and took down the whole trunk lid lining so you can see, have better access. So our brake light is going to be the one here on the right. This one right here. So like I said, it's going to be the one here on the right, and you're just going to give it a little twist and pull down. So it's going to be that tan brownish looking one that's on the driver's side. We went ahead, and on the passenger side, we went ahead and removed it so you guys could get a better look. So that's what it looks like. And let me see. So like I said, you're just gonna give it a little twist and pull down. It's gonna take a little bit of wiggling, get it in the right spot. And there you go. And as you can see, hopefully the camera's picking it up, it's burnt. You can kind of see the black cloudiness. It's burnt out as compared to that one. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get these pulled out. All you're gonna do is just pull it out. So it's a little difficult, but you give it a good tug and it comes right out. So because we're not reusing these, it's okay. We're touching them with our fingers. However, to install the new ones, you want to wear some gloves so the oil on your hands don't transfer to the bulb, and then it will end up cooking it, the oil on your hands that will get on the bulb. When the bulb gets hot enough, it will melt it / cook it, if you will, and your bulb will be no good. So when you install the new ones, make sure you do not touch it with your bare hands. So let's get the new ones. So here is the new ones we're going with. They're going to be Silver Star by Sylvania. I can't even pronounce it. part number 7443. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up and pop these right in. So as you can see here, we got our nice new bulb in. Takes a little bit of force to pop it in, but you're gonna hear a distinctive little click. You're gonna feel it set in, and then it's good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do our passenger side, and then we'll bring you guys right back. And there you have it, guys. Once you get it in, you're gonna fill it, the connector, or you're gonna fill this seat in, and then just turn it, and you're good to go. So now we're gonna put the covering back on and test it out. All right, guys, so let's try this out. Okay, no light. We're gonna press on the brake. There you go, guys. And it's fixed. Pretty simple fix, guys. Not much to it. Pretty simple fix. That's the way it should be, especially for light bulbs, for mini light bulbs. I'll go ahead and throw up a picture of before and after. I didn't really film that part, but I'll go ahead and throw a picture up there for you guys so you guys could check it out, the difference in the brake lights. So anyway, guys, there you have it. Hopefully you liked this video. Real quick, simple video. If you guys did, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. Also, guys, a lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers, so if you haven't already, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it also helps out the channel. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys,